want to show you how to play Open Arms by Journey. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. This really is a beautiful and an emotional song. I think it's best if we start on the intro. The intro, you're going to have a D and an F sharp. We'll have a D chord because we'll have an A right there, but it's a D and an F sharp. Then we go to a C sharp E, which is going to be an A chord because we've got the A right here. So we go from a D chord to an A chord to a G chord. Now all we're going to do in the left hand, we're going to go D and F sharp, C sharp and E, B and D. So the G chord will have the B at the bottom, and up here we'll have G and D. So your G chord is G, B, D, but we'll just have the G and the D here, B and the D in the left hand. Then we go to a B minor chord, B, D, F sharp, open fifth, A and E. We'll have the C sharp in the right hand. And then we're going to end with a G arpeggio. Now the letter notes, I've got it written all in the left hand. But the way I play it, I play it because my index finger's right there, so I play it with my right index finger. So here's that intro, and slowly so you can see it, and everything is above middle C. Oh, I better show you the melody notes there. A, E, F sharp, D, A, E, C sharp, G and D, D, C sharp, D, C sharp, A, F sharp, B. Put them together and it'll sound like this. There you have the intro. Now that sets you up for the melody. A, E, F sharp, D, A, E, C sharp, D, D, C sharp, D, C sharp, A, F sharp, B. And they do it again, but they change it just a little bit. A, E, F sharp, D, A, E, F sharp, D. Instead of going down to the C sharp there, we go up to an F sharp, D. Then it's just the same. D, C sharp, D, C sharp, A, C sharp. Here it changes. C sharp, B. Crush that C sharp into the B. Then we got D, E, F sharp, E, D, B, D, B. C sharp, D, C sharp, D, C sharp, B, C sharp, B. Those are quick there. C sharp, B, C sharp, B. And then we're into the chorus. Now before we get to the chorus, I'll show you the left hand. D. So you'll have. Then you walk it down to C sharp. To B. Repeat the B. Now see, we've got that G chord, and then we're going to the B minor chord. So you just repeat the B. It goes from being the third of the chord to the root of the B minor. Walk it down to A, G, hold it, and then just hit a D there. So we got the whole chord, but it's spread out like that because the B is up here. So we'll just play just a little bit right there, D, and then we do it again. Put an E minor chord with it. Now here you're going to have to hold that second note back to match their melody, the way they sing it. So we got right there. And that second quick E will repeat the chord right there. Then we're going to a B minor. We'll play that B minor chord again on the second D there. Then we go to a D, A, D, to a D, D, A, G, and that'll I'll end that verse. Now you can hold that G as long as you want because it goes, see, it goes right into a G major 7th there. You're playing up this arpeggio. So we're into the chorus. So the chorus is D, F sharp, G, A, F sharp, A, D, A, F sharp, A, G, F sharp, E, D, A, G, F sharp, and then a little turn here, E, F sharp, E, D. So it's E, F sharp, E, D, played quickly. Then we do it again, D, A, F sharp, A, B, A, G, F sharp, E, F sharp, G, A, G, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, D. That's when he's singing open arms right there, that D, C sharp, D. So with the left hand, we're going to do similar. We're going to D, F sharp, G, C. And then we do it again. So that's the chorus, the sequence for the chorus. F sharp goes with the A, then the G. So see, that A is going to be suspended over and resolved to the G. What they do right there is they come in right on top of it with the little guitar interlude. I don't want to come in on top of it and destroy the melody. Finish the melody and then come up an octave, and you can play this loud like the guitar is, or you can play it soft, however you want to make it musically. Now there, I do add a G chord in there, B, D, G, and the whole thing in the bass there, in the left hand, because it fills it in. Do the same thing with that G arpeggio, and then we're into the second verse. Now for the second verse, it's very similar, but the melody changes. It goes. So you're going to have a F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D, and then all the way up to the B, A, B, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, D, C sharp, A, C sharp, C sharp, B. And then they have a guitar lick, and I'm going to duplicate that. I'm going to just play a D, G, B, D, E. So it's like a G chord with an E added on top of there, added sixth. And in the left hand is the same. And then the second time they do a little bit different too. Do that again. Now here we're going to go F sharp, B, F sharp, E, D, C sharp. That's just a little bit different rhythmically than the first verse. Then we've got F sharp, B, A, B, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, D, E. And then you got a C sharp, B, C sharp, D, C sharp, D. And then right there, I'll add a right hand chord. What they do is they add a G chord in there, and then they add kind of an A7 chord. So, and then they come back to the G. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add the G, add that 6 to it. See, it's going to sound better on the piano than trying to go to a whole new chord there. Now put the hands together, and we've got the second verse. want to get in a hurry with anything in this song. And you don't want to be afraid of open space. For this last chorus, before you get to that instrumental tag, I like to just back it down just a notch. Just a little softer, a little slower. And then we're going to go into the instrumental tag, but before I do that, I want to show you, there are some times when you want to smooth notes together, but here you want to separate those notes out if you can. See? If you can just put just a tiny little space of air between each note, it's going to sound better than to tie them together. And then we go into the instrumental tag. Now here I'm going to hold the notes, left-hand notes in this octave. We're going to go D and F sharp, then a C major triad, C, E, G, then a B minor triad, B, D, F sharp, back to the C, E, G, and then we're going to do a D arpeggio to end it. Now on the right hand, we're going to have, we repeat it. Just like Elvis, we repeat it 3 times. So we're going to come down with it on the 3rd time, A, G, F sharp and an A, and then we come right out of that F sharp and the A. See, the left hand's going to come up with. So even while you're holding it, you can go right into the arpeggio for the D. So here with the D major chord. So here's that instrumental tag. Hold it and lift off it very smoothly. There you have it, Open Arms. It's a beautiful song by Journey. I hope you enjoy playing it.